is a winter storm warning for the following counties in Tennessee: Crockett, Dyer, Gibson, Lake, Obion, and Weakley. Winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches with isolated higher amounts. Where? Portions of West Tennessee. When? Until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. If you must travel, keep extra blankets, food, water, and a flashlight in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.